So across these different roles, I have to imagine there's probably a core set of foundational skills that
Hmm.
are very important.
Mhm.
Conversation, we talked a bit about being able to read schematics and blueprints. Can you
Yes,
talk a little bit
yes.
more about that?
We
I
talked about mechanical actuation, which could be done electrically, pneumatically, or with hydraulics, um, or it could be a mixture of all. So you have to be able to read mechanical drawings, blueprints. We still use the drawings. You've got to be able to understand dimensioning, tolerances, um, and then from there, you look at maybe something like in pneumatic world would be something like fluid draw as an example. And you got to be able to understand the flow and what's happening at each station. Why is this? How do I assemble all this together? And why is it going that way? Right down to electrical drawings, which would be in the format of E-plan or something like that. Um, of course, all our, like, especially as I said in the metronics group and the controls group, PLCs, understanding the basis of ladder logic, which is a long time ago, but it's all automated now through coding and everything. Troubleshooting that is very, very important. And we run many tests and we kind of create these data sheets of known problems that can come up sometimes. So it's a quick fix, it's usually something pops out or whatever. So that's the type of training that we put in place for our technicians and also in the engineering group as well. And right down to, sorry, and I'm missing robotics, which is very important. We do both programming and maintenance training with, especially with KUKA, because we use a lot of KUKA robotics in especially in the glass float lines, which is one of our core industries.